Welcome Spandhana to this brief video which introduces the Management Committee Charter for Shriram Spandhana Association. We cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. With this, we would like to present a brief introduction into the challenges and the way forward for 2021 and 2022. There is also a brief video in this series which talks about one of these solutions as an example on how we approach the problems. Let's briefly look at the working of the management committee. The team is always looking at ways and means to save money. Looking within is an initiative to try and keep all works within our control and with our teams. For example, look at the dual plumbing project. It could have been very easy to outsource the entire work to a contracted agency. But instead, we have looked at means and innovative ways of engaging extra plumbers through ABPC, our current vendor, and try to keep the costs on labor low, as well as given us the opportunity to have a good negotiation with procurement of materials. We always want to strive to do more with less. We want to reuse, reapply as much as possible. For example, looking at scrap, we have never had a process around how to meaningfully scrap. As an idea, we had several motors that were not operational. Earlier, we would just scrap these motors for weight. But now we look at each scrap and look at the opportunity of what money it could make us. The motor, for example, has a lot of copper winding. It cannot just be scrapped as metal. We have made sure that we actually do selective scrapping and make money. We always want to look at a holistic approach. All decisions that we take, any opportunities that we seek, we try to keep a vision of about 5 to 7 years. What is it going to do for us now? And where will we be with this decision in place 5 years from now? We've been working closely as a well-knit team. This is evident. For an example, there was an opportunity when an agency person reached us for a certain quote-unquote convenience fees through our staff. It reached our plumber, the facility manager, the maintenance vertical, and it immediately went down short-circuiting into the external licensing, and the person who wanted the convenience fee was shocked to find out that within 10 minutes he got a phone call back from his agency bosses asking him for clarity. That is the level of co-working that we've been able to achieve. With this, allow me to introduce the team. Along with me in the President's office is Geeta, who also takes care of manpower management and move in, move out under the security vertical. She also takes care of prevention of harassment. In the Secretary's office, Maha is also contributing in the maintenance vertical. The Treasury is led by Pinaki and assisted by Akhil. They are also responsible for conducting audits and compliances. The maintenance vertical, by far the largest, is led by Venkat, along with him Girish, Shruti, Latika and Ashish. Girish is also responsible for process initiatives, and Shruti also takes care of venue management. External licensing is led by Piyush, and he helps us interact with all agencies and local authorities. Legal is led by Veena. She and her team help us vet all our documents and contracts. Vendor contracts and its management is led by Kunal. Parking is being looked at by Rohit under the security vertical. Along with them, Paramita, Murthy and Kanchana do their bit and help every vertical wherever their need may be. All this is possible with a large team of people at Spandhana. Along with Mr. Vinod, who takes care of our accounts, Raju, our facility manager, supported by Anbu, our assistant facility manager, assistant to the manager Avinash, Bharat, who takes care of the reception and clubhouse, Aminul, who is the CRM dispatch agent, various teams starting from electricians, plumbing, security, housekeeping, gardening, waste management systems, OWC, clubhouse, and various agencies that help us get them done. This video is in line with our promise to maintain transparency and give insights and visibility to all residents about the ongoing works with the MC. This video is followed by another video which talks about challenges in the specific period, and a final video which talks about an example on how the decision-making process works inside the MC. Thank you.